today for the Bitcoin price. And you are probably asking yourself right now, what the heck is happening to Bitcoin and to crypto right now? I mean, honestly, if you're just going cryptocurrency prices, you can see there's a huge sea of red everywhere. Well, maybe besides of VPAD, but basically everything is going down right now. And the most important question right now is, of course, is this the beginning of a severe bear market, or is this the last shakeout actually? I want to go into the charts actually. I want to tell you exactly what I am expecting for Bitcoin right now. As you remember, yesterday I was talking about this being the last support. I was talking about this getting weaker every single time we are touching it, and actually the breakout to the downside being more likely than to the upside. And I mentioned this price target of 42,600, 42,700 US dollars. And you know what? Before I continue with my next price prediction for Bitcoin, let me show you. This is a clip here from yesterday's video where I was talking about that. Look at this.
Rules in trading is the more often we are testing a support, the weaker it actually gets. Eventually, the likelihood increases more and more the more often we are testing it, that we are actually eventually breaking it towards the downside. And as you can see, today is the 5th of January, but until the 8th of January, so latest in 3 days, and we are talking here before the weekend, we are going to get this breakdown. I can tell you from a probability standpoint, the breakdown to the downside is in fact, believe it or not, more likely, unfortunately. Now let's see what would happen. Well, if we break down 42,000 US dollars, it is. So here,
and as you can see, this is exactly what happened. If we are going over to the chart, eventually we broke it, and I'm surprised myself. We exactly hit my price target, like almost up to the exact dollar. Obviously, now we have to see, what is this? Is this just the beginning of something bigger? Or are we already hitting support? Well, first of all, let's jump out to the daily candles. You know the deal. When in doubt, zoom out, right? And if we are zooming out on the daily candles, maybe making this a little bit smaller, pulling out the EMA ribbon, sorry, not the EMA ribbon, the VPVR, then you can see that, well, we broke this very important support line, and now there's a lot of thin air all the way down, even to the 41,000 US dollar area. The question is this gonna be the low for Bitcoin? Are we even going to 41,000? Well, if we are looking at the last time here, right, when we actually broke out to 64,000, we went down actually exactly to my worst case scenario. Why did I say back then it is my worst case scenario? Well, it is actually easy as that. If I'm just pulling out the FIB levels here all the way from the previous top to the previous bottom, then you can see we went down exactly to the Fibonacci golden pocket right here in at the 29,800 to 31,000 US dollar areas, my worst case scenario previously for Bitcoin. So now the question is this right now the low for Bitcoin? Well, if we are pulling out the Fibonacci extension level, you can see that already right now in that exact moment we are finally hitting the golden pocket. So chances are, at least let me repeat that, chances are that this is the bottom, the golden pocket, very, very often actually serving as the potential bottom for Bitcoin. Right now we are in it, right now we are holding it, right? If this one is breaking, and only then, I would be looking out for the previous low at approximately 40,000, just as some kind of fractal play I'm playing here right now with here this green line as it was holding before. But obviously, guys, take it with a grain of salt. These are the things I am personally right now looking out for. And of course, we have to revisit right now the most important metric to distinguish between bull and bear market. This is usually the EMA ribbon, and right now, believe it or not, we are below. What you have to keep in mind though is this is about weekly closes, and the weekly close is in more than 3 days. So we did not close the weekly candle below. Remember, we were wicking below multiple times before. It is about the closes. It is about volume confirmation. This is what I'm telling you. So bear with me, guys. It's just stay a little bit calm. But these are the things I am personally looking out for right now. Let me quickly go back here actually to the camera I'm out. And of course, I want to talk a little bit more about how I am actually handling this whole situation trading-wise. Before I am doing so and circling back into Bitcoin, I wanted to remind you on the crazy updates we were here previously actually giving. That's the reason why VPAD is the only green in a sea of red, because people are going over to Femex and the other like 6-7 exchanges we are listed on already, and more exchanges are coming. They are buying it there. They are staking VPAD, because by staking VPAD, you are of course getting insane APYs and staking rewards, weekly actually claimable. You get free IDO allocations, premium IDO allocations, free NFTs soon when the NFT launchpad is dropping, whitelist spots for NFT collections. I mean, the utility is just going through the roof. And of course, it's not always gonna be like that. It's just green days for VPAD. Honestly, guys, everything goes up and down, but we are just trying our best here and actually doing our best, delivering on our promises and giving you everything we promised you before. Step by step, everything is getting released and we are maxing out the utility for this token. I hope you appreciate that. And now let's go back here into Bitcoin. Truly amazing to see like the crazy VPAD warriors. Anyways, the Bitcoin price is here right now, of course, stumbling around. And if you are also a long trader like me, just do the same like me. I mean, I'm just standing on the sidelines and waiting. If you want to short, fine. But obviously, short squeezes are going to happen anytime in the future. I'm just waiting. I am waiting, and potentially I am putting some limit long orders around the area of 40,000 US dollars just in case we are wicking lower. I want to be there and play a risky game here actually with a limit long order. Let me know what you think about that, guys. And also make sure you are smashing up the like button to a new all-time high. Hopefully Bitcoin is gonna reach that this year. Really, I think we are all hoping for that. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.